Break ID number 942. 2015-16 black gold basketball. 1-box break. This one has 1 filler, good for 2 spots. This was a buy one get 2 free. So the winner of this filler is actually getting 6 spots. That's why you need to keep a close eye on these fillers. Some of them are pretty crazy. It was only $3 a filler spot for potentially 6 spots. So here are the people in the filler. Bradley, David, and Isaac. And Isaac takes that one. So here's the alphabetical list for 942. Okay, and definitely a long shot. Seen some long shots get pulled, not pulled, but winners lately. So the people in this one are grouped up because of the buy one get 2 free. So let's randomize each side 3 times. And there you go. A free spot goes to Russell M.A., who gets his Celtics, and that spot is free. Those wins on a night like tonight when the spots are cheap could get into something else. All right, here we go. Jabari Parker. Rudy Gay. Cameron Payne, jersey, rookie jersey autograph. to 118. To the Thunder, Miles, KY. Not bad. And Massive Materials Jumbo Jersey, Rudy Gobert. To 199. To the Jazz, Isaac, MI. Al Horford. Kevin Love. Devin Booker. Shadowbox jersey to 199. To the Suns, Patrick, PE. And 1/99 auto, vintage gold, John Stockton. Also to the Jazz, Isaac, MI. All right, that's it for that one.